Now this is how you can blur phone number in a video through Capcut on your iPad. Let's get started. If you are new on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you don't miss tutorials like this one. So obviously you can start by importing your clips as usual, and if you find the icon right there, you can see obviously have the clip selected and find the icon which says duplicate the clip, right? So it's going to be like this. It's going to duplicate the very same clip. Then we're going to click on the overlay and make sure that those clips are on the top of each other. Now, what we're going to do is that we're going to select the one at the bottom, which is actually at the top when you look at that way. But we need to click on the effects panel to make sure you add the blur effect to the one at the bottom, right? So you can look up some different effects in here, so you can find it from the options below, right? So it depends on which one you specifically go with, but there are more blur options available. Now, once you have the blur feature or like effect applied to that clip, you can return back to the main sections and then look for the effect, which is like the mask, right? So you need to make sure that you mask it properly, and then you can choose like rectangle, which will make the only that select part visible. So you can mask it like that, and only that like blurred part will be where you need it to be, right? So you can adjust it specifically where the phone number is and kind of cover it that way, right? So that's how you're gonna do this. Outside of that, of course, you can just import a piece of white image and also layer it on the top of your phone number to kind of hide it that way. But if you specifically want to make it blurry, then you can go and apply the method which I've just shown you. So let me know in the comments below if you managed to do it. Most definitely subscribe for more tutorials and guides like this one, and I'll talk to you later.